guys, what's up? Welcome to or back to my channel. If you've never seen me before, hey, my name is Cora. If you have seen me before, then welcome back. Thanks for coming back. I'm really excited about the video today. I've been putting a lot of preparation into it and a lot of research, and I truly think I've come up with the best guide to rebranding yourself.
If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar-coated.
After doing research on a couple different platforms, I think I finally figured out the best way to rebrand yourself. Everyone is different, but this is what I personally am going to be doing. 2023 was a major year of growth for me and change, which I've learned is the only constant in life, really. I kind of want to get a jump start on rebranding myself and figuring out what routines worked for me and what routines did not work for me. I did a bit of research. I haven't gone down the YouTube way yet because I don't want to be influenced at all. I mostly looked on TikTok as well as Pinterest, and they have a plethora of content that I can use.
I'm gonna teach you how to rebrand your life.
This is how to upgrade and rebrand your life.
Doing this one thing absolutely changed my life.
The first video that really drew my attention, she really went into depth, and I kind of broke down everything that she mentioned in her TikTok. The first step that she listed was to create the character, and for her she used Pilates Princess. You can really use whatever name, but I did come up with the name Piscean Princess, which, as I say out loud, I'm not thrilled with. We're just gonna go with it. The second step was script a day in the life of that character. I do have a whole video on scripting, manifesting, all of that. If you do want to watch it, it's on my page. But scripting can really be whatever you want it to be. You might do like a dream life in this Pisces princess character. The third step is starting fresh. Can be deleting pictures if you want. I definitely have some older pictures from when I was younger, and I am still kind of 50-50 on whether or not I want to start completely fresh. The idea is very enticing because it makes me feel like I can really ultimately rebrand myself. To me, starting fresh can also mean starting fresh on your laptop, clearing out any old pictures, old videos, files, all of that. I kind of just want to get rid of it. I think when you have a clean environment and a clean space, it makes you a little bit more motivated to try something new. Fourth step is reprogram/curate your social media. That to me means to unfollow people that drain you, people you don't like. I think it's important to cleanse what you're seeing, because what you're seeing is constantly reinforcing those thoughts in your head. You might be inspired to follow someone whose life you really are excited by, whose life you might be envious of, because you want to surround yourself with people that are doing the things that you want to do. The fourth step is to start to match your environment, your clothes, etc. to your new character. This could be curating a new wardrobe that matches your character's vibes. It could be redoing your room, your space. I think over this summer I kind of purged a lot of old stuff I had. I did move back to my childhood bedroom. I have kind of taken it upon myself to rebrand the rest of my room, the places that I can change. Some of those little, enhancements, they are fake because I don't have a great track record with real plants. That was everything that I learned from that TikTok video. I did want to kind of add a couple of things into that. So rebranding myself, one of the first things is that I am going to change my hair. I'm really excited. I do work at a hair salon, so it's somewhat accessible for me to change my hair. I did go for a ginger moment, a red moment for the fall, which I love. Is so cute. Definitely is healthier for my hair. However, I do miss being blonde. I'm not really sure what the plan is, but I really want a minimal amount of breakage because my main goal is to grow out my hair. She's been through it. We're doing TD lights. And what else?
I don't know.
And the rest is to be determined.
On the vibes. Motivation, booty on it.
step I want to do is change my environment, my lock screen. I've had the same lock screen on my phone for like past year, I want to say. It is a new year. It's about to be new energy. For me, I feel like I might collage together little like manifestation sort of collage to be my lock screen.
But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie.
These are a couple things that I am going to be getting that I do feel like will help me rebrand myself as well. A big thing for that for me is going to be oral health. Really have been trying to pay attention to caring for my teeth. You only get one set of them and I really don't want to lose them. I do want to get the TheraBreath mouthwash, which has been going viral. I don't know why particularly, but people really like it. So listen to the people. But I want to get teeth whitening strips. I'm back in my car. I thought I would just kind of do my haul in the car. Once I get home and try to set it up and everything, it's gonna be dark and I don't want that to happen. Low-key spent more than I anticipated. Why was that so hard for me to say? Which is fine because I did all kind of need it. I wanted to do a cute aesthetic checking out at the, at the checkout, but there were way too many people and they were saying you had to have 10 items or less. Apparently I didn't have 10. So that kind of blew that and blew me, honestly. And my hair is blonde. We're back in white. I just always come back to blonde, and this is a version of it with the least amount of damage possible. The first thing I got, this shit is fucking heavy as hell. So this is an antibacterial denture cleanser. It cleanses in 3 minutes, which is awesome. I do have a retainer, so I just like to make sure that that is like being cleaned properly. I figure denture antibacterial is like the same as retainer. I also got these little picks because whenever I have my nails done, we're not gonna talk about this. Whenever I have my nails done, it is so hard for me to floss because they're just too long. These were on clearance. These are kind of fun. My birthday's coming up. It's a glitter witch, so I'm guessing they're from Halloween. I feel like I could totally cut them a little bit so that they're like not so like intense, and I think it would look really kind of fire. Then I'm really excited about this. I got Tanologist. I've never tried it before. I got their Express Tan. I got medium. It seems really interesting. It's Express, which I really like. I'm really excited to try this out. I'll let you all know. I usually use Jergens or Neutrogena. I think it's Jergens. That's gonna be different. And I got a tanning mitt because I have one, but she is not looking great. This one's silver. It's a little more fun. And then of course I got my classic. One of my main tips is press on nails. There's something definitely about getting a fresh set done by an actual technician, but I am like not in the bracket where I'd like to be financially to be able to be doing all that. This is the next best thing. These are black and they're medium. These are a little too long. I really like them, but they're starting to be a little too much. Really excited about this. This is the Argan Oil of Morocco. I've had this before. It's a spray. It smells so good. One of my coworkers has it. It's reminded me of how much I like it because I do love argan oil. And then I also got little thank you cards that say love on them to thank people for holidays, celebrations. I saw them. They were like $1. The $1 section is always going to do it for me. You can't see it, but I also got a whole thing for my shoes to the next bag. So I got a good amount of stuff for like what I paid, I guess. This I'm very excited about because obviously everyone has been talking about it, the TheraBreath mouthwash because we're gonna be clean as 2024. This is the cutest thing ever. Got one of these and then I got one for my friend and I just think they're so cute, so I wanted to get this other one. I don't know what you could put in them. Maybe like salt, sugar, something for the bath oriented, you know what I mean? Like a bubble bath, maybe. That would be cute. And then to make sure that I'm moisturized, I got the Cocoa Radiant. I'm trying to go with vanilla, so cocoa's close to that, I guess. It's like in the same family, kind of. I've used this before. It's good. It's just Vaseline. This is probably what I am like most excited about, and these are these whitening strips. They're not the same ones as the girl that I was watching her glow up video of. The difference is really just how many are in it. Like it was a bigger pack. I don't really want to commit to that just yet, so I'm just trying these out and compare them to the Crest 3D white strips. Then I also just got, to me, a razor is a razor. I don't need the whole Venus flytrap situation. Whole Venus situation where it glides over your kneecaps. Like, I'm good. I can just go with whatever is cheap. And then to be back on that vanilla, oh, I love this shit. It looks so good. It smells edible, and I've already been using this, but I'm almost out. I did get the matching vanilla shea sugar scrub. I haven't smelled this yet. To die for. Thank God. Thank God. I've been on these. If you follow me on TikTok, please. I have used these. This is a repurchase. You take 2 of them every day, and this is the smaller size, but it's all they had, so it's gonna have to do. That is everything I got. I do want to get a new scent because I'm transitioning from my Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium. Have drained her. I'm trying to transition into a warmer, sweeter kind of scent. I'm back. It has been a couple days and I was able to pick up some of the essentials so that I can get to rebranding myself. First thing I was looking for was some sort of hair serum because I've been using Kérastase Initialis since like March or so, and I really noticed a huge difference in my hair when I use it. I was looking for more of a drugstore kind of option, and The Ordinary's hair care has a multi-peptide serum for hair density. I've heard really good things about this, so I'm gonna give it a try, and if I don't like it, I can always go back to my Initialist, but I'm kind of trying to be a little more affordable, if you know what I mean. I was looking for a scent, and initially I really wanted a vanilla scent. I'm thinking I'm just gonna have to hold off a little bit on that because I did get the Dream Moon perfume from Pacifica. It smells so good. I don't know what the notes would be, but I'm pretty sure it said that it has like patchouli in it. I'm already like kind of dug into it. And then I was doing so good. I was doing so good without the TikTok shop. And then they had to hit me with this cute ass bottle. Are you kidding me? Like, how could I not? And I lather my whole body with this after the shower, and it is so good. It smells so good. Someone on TikTok likened it to a naked woman being fed grapes, and if that's not a vibe, I don't know what is. Those are gonna be kind of my 2 main scents for this moment. I also picked up the e.l.f. Glow Reviver. I'm wearing this one right now, and then I also got regular clear Glow Reviver. These are supposed to be a dupe of the Dior lip oils, and I actually had one. I feel like I can kind of accurately see if it's similar. It's not bad for the price point, I will say. I also have so many goals for January this year. I filled out this worksheet and I kind of decided that every month I'm going to start from fresh, go over my goals, script a day in the life, just so that I know that I'm still on track with what I would like to be, and then the month's goals, and then some affirmations that will get me there. And then just thankfulness, because I think it's important to thank life for where you are in the moment. And this is like my ultimate rebranding guide. So much of perceiving is actually believing. I feel like I'm kind of setting myself up for success. I also am gonna go grocery shopping a little later and do some food preparations and whatnot. stay organized, I am looking to get a new folder for my documents and just anything paper. And I also do need to get a new assignment notebook, which is always my favorite part of the new year. So I did stop by Target. The first thing I'm really excited about is this assignment notebook I got. I did just go with black because I think black is so classic. Something in particular I really like about this is it has an area to put your 2024 goals. Once it is 2024, write your reflections. Oh, there's a page in the back for gratitude as well. And a bucket list. To match with it, I did get a little folder and stuff like this, and it has like a little organizer. I'm just obsessed with it. And the other thing I just had to get was a sticker book. Really cute, like coffee and stuff. So I am really, really excited to use this. I did make a little page that I can kind of work on and modify for myself and my goals. I'm just gonna go in and fill this page out. For coming to another video of mine. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you liked what you saw, and feel free to check out the rest of my channel. Bye. If you've never seen me before, hey, my name is Cora. Hey, okay, you know what, the wave, we're not doing the wave.